शार्क्स,
Yes, sir.
आज का जमाना है एक्सपीरियंसेस का।
फिल्म देखने का असली मजा थिएटर में ही है।
बाइक चलाने का असली मजा लद्दाख में ही है।
डांस करने का असली मजा बारात में ही है।
और म्यूजिक सुनने का असली मजा कॉन्सर्ट में ही है। After all, it's all about the experiences, right?
Right. And that is what we are here for, to give you a mind-blowing and revolutionary sound experience with Sonic Lab. हेलो शार्क्स, मैं हूं जगत मडिकेरी से।
और मैं हूं नवजीत मंगलुरु से। And we are the co-founders of Sonic Lamb. Sonic Lamb एक ऐसी हेडफोन्स है जिससे आप म्यूजिक को फील कर सकते हो।
हमसे पहले ये एक्सपीरियंस सिर्फ होम थिएटर में मिलता था बिकॉज ऑफ ए स्पेशलाइज्ड ऑडियो इक्विपमेंट कॉल्ड सबवूफर्स, लेकिन ये एक्सपीरियंस हेडफोन्स में मिसिंग है।
But Sonic Lamps are powered by our patented impulse drivers, which converts audio signal into physical impulses that can be sensed through your body.
Oh, wow.
This allows you to not just hear the music, but also makes you feel it. Sonic Lamp में 4 मोड्स है, जिससे आप अपने मूड्स और एक्टिविटीज के हिसाब से साउंड को पर्सनलाइज भी कर सकते हो। Sonic Lamp एक originally designed, engineered and made in India premium product है। It's also tested and tuned in Denmark, which is one of the sound hubs of the world. We have raving reviews from international tech sites and also customers across 45 countries.
But Sharks, this is not the end game. We are here to redefine the experience across the sectors. Starting with automotive audio, we are integrating our technology into luxury vehicles to give you an immersive experience throughout your journey.
Our vision is to be the brand of choice globally for anyone who seeks immersive sound experience. और इसके लिए हमारे ask है 50 lakhs in exchange for 1% of equity. So Sharks, are you ready to feel?
All right. Amazing. कुछ हटके. Okay,
Yes.
first we should start with an experience.
Yes. So
Huh?
yeah. So this is just the speakers. Now we'll
Abhi?
play it with the subwoofers as well.
Your subwoofer.
No, just a regular sub.
Concert feel.
So this is the physical immersive sound experience. Now
Yeah.
imagine you getting this experience anytime and anywhere, and that's where the Sonic Lamp comes in. So we would love to start with a demo, and we'll
Yes,
hand over the headphones to you so that you
Lao,
can
lao,
get
lao.
the experience.
ला भाई.
हमारा एक बंदा है बहुत अच्छा है, वो इसका डेमो करने के लिए एक्सपर्ट है वो। ओह लवली पैकेजिंग।
Thank you.
Lovely. The feel is also nice.
Great packaging.
Thank you very much. All the controls are on the right side. Just an important point here is the multi-mode dial. That is basically the 4 modes of listening. If you see, there is ear symbol, that is the hear mode. It's great for classical and instrumental music. And then if you rotate, that's the feel mode. And that's where the subwoofer kicks in. It's great for wide genres of music. Then there is the wave symbol, that's the immerse mode. Right now, if you could please switch to the wave symbol.
Wave.
Yes, okay, so if you could please wear that. So that's the right side, if you wear it.
Okay.
The device is already connected to the phone.
Very good.
Thank you.
देख मेरा चश्मा हिल रहा है.
Good, yeah.
Anything else?
Looks cool.
That's broadly the experience that we wanted to give it to you.
जी क्या है tested and tuned in Denmark?
Yes, so we are part of an audio accelerator in Denmark. Globally, they select 6 companies every year. हम 6 में एक ही startup है जो यूरोप से बाहर select हो गए.
Okay. Very nice. So you managed to be one of those
Yes,
who
and-
made it to that program.
Yes.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Very good, यार. जो बाकी आते हैं वो हेडफोन्स, उनमें ये immersive experience नहीं आ पाता है.
You won't get that because all headphones, they use as normal speakers. In our case, we have the impulse driver and they physically move back and forth. So whenever they move, it moves according to every beat. So that physical sensation is felt through your skin and your bone.
What is this hyper personalized audio? वो क्या है?
So there's 2 parts. One is the 4 modes. So you can customize it. So if you're listening to classical music, the hear mode. If you're listening to bass heavy genres, the same headphones you can switch and you can get that sensation. The second part, which is part of the smartphone application, which is in development, you can take a quick hearing test and then you can customize the sound signature based on your listening. Then what happens is that if a person is insensitive to certain frequencies, it will boost that. If they're very sensitive to certain frequencies, they will reduce that.
तो आपके ऐप पे फीचर आएगा,
Yeah.
उससे आप टेस्ट करोगे अपनी
Correct.
हियरिंग एंड देन द हेडफोन्स विल ट्यून इनटू व्हाटएवर द रिजल्ट्स आर.
Yes.
अच्छा, प्रोडक्ट थोड़ा बहुत समझ गए, विल कम बैक टू इट. लेकिन आप दोनों कहाँ से हो, आप कैसे मिले और ये इंडस्ट्री में कैसे?
My first memory is me listening to my dad's home theater system setup. So I was born in Muscat. My dad used to work there.
Dad is a rock star?
Dad is an audiophile. Like he
Achha.
is
Got
into
it.
music. I had to stay away from my home for studies, and that's when I started to use headphones. When I used that, I couldn't get that immersive sound that I could get in a home theater system. While pursuing our engineering, I met Jagat in Sahyadri College of Engineering. It's in Mangalore.
अच्छा.
2013, we met, and 4 years of engineering, we were working on a research project to allow people experience sound without using their ears. And that's when we started to work on bone and skin conduction. So we developed a transducer, our own proprietary technology. So while we were doing that, it was 2019. It was an accident. Like there was a regular headphone on the work table. Sort of curiosity, we thought of integrating that tech that we built to headphones. And when I wore it, I got that immersive experience that I used to listen to my dad's setup. We did audio testing and we found that our experience, the sound signature was superior than leading like legacy premium brands. And then we took the pivot and then started to work on it for like 3 years.
And that's how your journey started.
Yes.
कोई भी कंपनी है जो बोन कंडक्शन यूज करके साउंड क्वालिटी एंड इमर्सिव म्यूजिक क्वालिटी इंप्रूव कर रही है दुनिया में?
So in the world, there's a brand called as Skull Candy. They have a series
Yep.
called as Crushers.
Yeah.
And there they use haptics for emulating this, creating vibrations for
Yeah.
getting that experience.
Okay.
So when we started this, first thing we did is like buy that product and try it ourselves.
और उसमें and आपके में क्या डिफरेंस है?
It's more like a phone vibration, but on a audio level.
Yeah.
In our case, beat is accurately plotted. So it's actually a speaker, but without the diaphragm. The ear pads, that actually moves back and forth. So the driver is connecting to the ear pads, and that's where you are able to feel the sound. So it's more accurate and immersive and realistic.
What about Beats?
Beats is just using normal speakers. Okay. Yeah.
Let's address the elephant in the room. अमन को elephant बोला?
टाइगर ब्रो
I want to know what is it that you can do way better than Boat?
So our difference is the audio quality and the experience.
Because you're giving better audio quality. Are you priced higher than the Boat
बहुत
comparable product?
वो अलग है यार, बिल्कुल अलग.
By how much?
17,999.
Compared to similar product for Boat कितने का होगा?
2,500.
2,500.
Very different market. Instead of Boat, what is Skull Candy's price and what is the price of Beats?
So Beats right now is at around 20,000 rupees.
Okay.
And Skull Candy is also in that range, specifically the Crusher series.
So if I understand correctly, आप इनको head on ले रहे हो कि हम आपसे बेहतर हैं at the same price point.
Yes.
और क्या applications हैं?
We were trying to explore different areas. When we tried to commercialize this, we thought, how do we get in the market? And the one that we could do quickly was launch our own brand, and that's when we started Sonic Lab. Now we are already doing like POCs with automotive companies for integrating this impulse driver, our technology, inside the vehicle seats. So when the drivers and the passenger is experiencing music inside the vehicle, now they're able to feel the music through their entire body. So it's much more immersive experience.
ये आपका कार सीट एक्सपीरियंस है क्या?
Yes.
कार म्यूजिक देख
Oh.
सकते हैं क्या एक
Yes,
बार?
yes.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Oh, how is it, Vinita? Full immersive. You can. Your body.
ये यहाँ पे क्या ऊपर लगाया
We
है?
have a impulse driver that is
Embedded in the seat.
Yes.
I also feel like checking it out.
Good. Let me try.
Nice. It's pretty cool.
Basically, it's got
मजा आएगा.
Feel it. You can feel it. Amazing. Very nice.
आपने जो कहा ना, feel तो है.
अभी आप इसको खाली इंडिया में सेल कर रहे हैं या ग्लोबली अभी ये बेचना शुरू कर दिया आपने?
Our first year of business was last financial year. So we did a crowdfunding campaign where we got 570 orders from around 45 countries, all organic, because of the tech reviews that we had. And then from like November last year, we started to explore the market in India. Earlier last year, 57% of the sales was in the US and then rest of the world. Now like 92% is from India, but we ship to countries wherever we get organic
And this is
orders.
made in India?
Completely made it.
बट आपकी जो ये टेक्नोलॉजी है अगर ये इतनी अच्छी है तो ये तो आप लाइसेंस भी कर सकते हो ब्रांड्स
Yeah.
को
So long term, it's an Intel inside of a strategy where we provide them the hardware and also license the technology. But we got to know that there were a lot of companies who developed the technology, but they were dependent on a larger company for them to integrate the tech. For some reason, if they deny, the company then dies because they're all dependent on that. So what was suggested is, like be independent. So that's where we started to develop the brand,
तो
launch
आपको
our
किसी ने
product.
एडवाइस किया कि बड़ी कंपनी को अपनी टेक्नोलॉजी मत बेचो, खुद ब्रांड बनाओ.
The probability, like now what happens is we can build our business, we are doing it profitably, and now we can also focus on the long term ventures like the automotive and
अभी आप
also
दोनों करने वाले हो कि सिर्फ अपना ब्रांड एंड अपने प्रोडक्ट्स?
one. For the next 1 year or 2 years, we'll be building the consumer brand, scaling it. That will be driving the revenues for us. But 2 years down the line is when the automotive and other applications will kick in.
पर वो भी सोनिक लैब के नाम पे होगा.
No, it will be a licensed integration.
सॉरी, आपने एक बहुत अच्छी बात कही. Then you shifted. आपने कहा कि you want a Intel Inside strategy, which I think is very powerful. Because Intel Inside strategy ये है कि computers were sold, किसको पता ही नहीं था chips अंदर क्या जा रही है. So Intel started co-marketing with them and made the chip a brand. तो आपने कहा मेरी टेक्नोलॉजी ब्रांड बन जाएगी, but then you said आगे जाके 2 साल के बाद हम बेचेंगे, हमारा ब्रांड रहेगा कि नहीं, we don't know. So that is not consistent with an Intel Inside strategy. Otherwise छोटे में ही सही, लेकिन वहाँ लिखा होता powered by Sonic Lab.
हाँ.
वो आप करने वाले हो कि नहीं?
We would like to do it.
But you will see.
We will, yeah.
Where are you distributing?
We are selling on our website.
What's your sales
It was
So 1.1 crore
1.1.
sale revenue
last year?
last year, and this year till September end it's 1 crore.
पिछले महीने कितना सेल किया आपने?
Roughly 28 lakhs.
1 करोड़ का जो सेल हुआ इसमें प्रॉफिट आया है, आप इकोनॉमिक्स बता सकते हैं P&L?
The headphones are sold at 17,999. The net sales is 15,250, and out of that, the cost of goods is 34%, and then we have 23% for salaries and general expenses, administrative expenses. Then we have 18% on acquisition cost, 5% for platform fee and the payment gateway fee, and then 2.5% for shipping costs.
तो कितना बच गया अपने पास?
That is roughly around 18%.
आपकी टोटल ग्रांट्स कितनी रेज की आपने एंड फंडिंग राउंड?
Total grants 0.6 CR.
ओके, 60
And
lakh.
funding round first was NID. That was in 2018 when we just graduated.
Okay.
That was 25 lakhs for 8%.
2021 में
2021, it was an angel round, 1.8 CR with the CC-based instrument, 7.83 CR floor and a 14.5 CR cap. And then 2023, we closed it in May. That was a CC-based instrument with a 14.5 CR floor and a 30 CR cap.
एंड ये कितना
कितना
अमाउंट
रेस किया?
2.2 CR.
और अभी कितने पैसे बचे हुए अपने पास?
जीरो.
At this moment, it's around 5-6 lakhs that we have.
तो वर्किंग कैपिटल में जा रहा है क्या पैसा?
Huh.
अभी इन्वेंट्री कितनी बड़ी है आपके पास?
We have around 100 units. So
That's it?
Yes.
तो भाई हालत तो खराब है यार, टाइट है.
So we are right now closing a round. So
Oh.
now we are raising like a slightly larger round. It's a 15 CR pre-series round,
Okay.
out of which we are raising a 3 CR round at the moment. That we know will take around 9 months of time
क्या वैल्यूएशन?
for 50 CR.
50 CR, and that's the
Yeah.
valuation you brought here today.
Yes.
पर नवजीत, आपके दोनों बिजनेस तो बहुत अलग है ना. एक आपका कंज्यूमर ब्रांड बना रहे हो, विच इज सोनिक लैम्प, एंड दूसरा बिजनेस इज वही इंटेल इनसाइड वाला बिजनेस जहां आप एक ऑटोमोबाइल कंपनी को लाइसेंस करोगे. एक कंपनी इतनी अर्ली स्टेज पे जिसको हर साल फंडिंग रेज करना पड़ रहा है, वो ये दो बिजनेस साथ में कैसे चलाएगी?
So long term it will be that B2B
The
enterprise.
B2B एंड रेवेन्यू मॉडल क्या होगा इसमें?
The technology for one vehicle will be $120.
एंड ये आप
Wow.
मल्टीपल कार कंपनीज को दे सकते हो.
Yes.
Wow.
इसमें आपका क्या प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी रहेगा?
It will be around 70%.
You will be only selling to luxury cars, जहाँ तक मैंने समझा
High
है. तो उनकी वॉल्यूम्स तो इतनी होती नहीं है.
Yes.
आपका एड अप नहीं होगा in terms of the size you want to achieve, what I'm assuming. So what is beyond automobiles?
So two parts there.
Haan ji.
Automotive, we are also with premium cars and also luxury cars. So it's roughly around 12 million vehicles that are sold last year itself, vehicles which are costing above 40 lakhs. If we tap at least like 3 of those brands, we have estimated that it's a $960 million kind of.
Assuming they put it in every car up.
We have like done a liberal calculation that probably around 40% of their vehicle will be integrated with this tech. The next thing is consumer headphones, but now that we have proven it for the larger companies, they're now de-risking the technology, de-risking the market, and that's where the other option. So the impulse drivers will be supplied to them. The second part is VR headsets. Again, they have visual immersion, but for audio, they're still using regular speakers. So these are the areas, the headset area and the seating area. That's the focus.
I honestly think it's great कि आप कुछ innovative करने जा रहे हैं. मेरे लिए थोड़ा early है. Because अभी जिस पे हम पैसे डालने वाले हैं, not this, not the earphones, which is a bridge, but the core business, वो अभी testing phase में है. In terms of आपको कोई firm commitment, firm orders नहीं है, it's a bit early for me. But I hope you get those firm commitments
Thank
and
you.
we meet again and we talk again. But for today, I'm out.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You guys are great technologists. कुछ तो आपने IP बनाया है इंडिया से, and that's a proud feeling. आप यहाँ तक पहुँचे हो अपनी मेहनत से, R&D करके, you got patents, fantastic. But you also have advisors, and you had an accelerator. अब आप very subscale, all your money is spent. You are at a crossroads. और तब भी आप 2 गाड़ी में सवार होना चाहते हो. दोनों मेरे माइंड में एटलीस्ट are 2 different brands when I think of headphones and earphones versus when I think of ambient sound. तो
Right.
आप हेडफोन का पाथ लेके ambient sound में घुसने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. That's a little tricky.
It's not ambient. It's a physical experience of sound. We are not like replacing a Bose or any other brand in vehicles. It's a added layer of experience that we deliver. And the technology is directly integrated into the seats itself and not into the vehicles.
मुझे लगता है कि यार आपको एक path choose करना चाहिए. And I'm convinced that that path is building your own brand, at least for the foreseeable future.
Okay.
क्योंकि वो जो B2B रास्ता आप चुन रहे हो ना, I think that is a long grind और उसकी कोई गारंटी नहीं है. आप खुद कह रहे हो 2 साल की सिर्फ सेल्स साइकिल है. I think you have to pick one of these paths. अगर आप ये पाथ पिक करने को तैयार हो, मेरा ऑफर है आपको, but it's conditional upon diligence on your IP and this path. 50 lakhs for 3.5% equity as opposed to the 1% cost.
Got it. Thank you for your offer.
नवजीत, इसकी मेकिंग कॉस्ट इतनी हाई है कि आपको ये 15-20 हजार पे ही बेचना पड़ेगा.
Which is great.
मेरा मानना नहीं है इंडिया में 10 लाख से भी ज्यादा लोग खरीदेंगे इतने महंगे हेडफोन्स जिसका फुल यूज भी नहीं है, ओनली फॉर म्यूजिक इमर्सिव.
This is global.
दिस इज माय ओपिनियन. सो मैं आपको जो ऑफर करूंगी, मैं चाहूंगी कि वो पूरे 50 लाख जाएं इन गेटिंग समबडी जो ऑटोमोबाइल कंपनी में आपको फास्टर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट साइनिंग तक ले जा पाए. And subject to that, my offer is 50 lakh for 2% and 2% royalty up to 1.5 times. मैं अपना जो total investment है वो recover करती हूँ.
क्या लग रहा है भाई? Opposite offers. Conditions are
Exact opposite.
Or be confused. If you weren't already confused, welcome to Shark.
ये प्रोडक्ट इंडिया प्राइस पॉइंट के लिए मेरे को लगता है बहुत हाई है, तो इसकी मार्केट बहुत छोटी हो जाएगी. हम लोगों ने अपनी प्रीमियम सीरीज लॉन्च करी है निर्वाणा, जिसमें हम डॉल्बी, क्वालकॉम, मिमी, हम बहुत टेक्नोलॉजी पार्टनर्स यूज करते हैं. तो अगर आपकी टेक्नोलॉजी इतनी अच्छी है तो कॉन्टैक्ट अस. वी मे लाइक टू टेक योर लाइसेंस इन आवर प्रीमियम सीरीज. अनफॉर्चुनेटली आई विल बी आउट फॉर.
देखो, आप में इनोवेशन है, पैशन है. आई लव द फैक्ट कि आपने ओवरऑल जो पूरा एक्सपीरियंस है ना वो बहुत बढ़िया से कैप्चर किया. व्हेन आई एक्सपीरियंस्ड इट, यू हैव अ फिनोमिनल प्रोडक्ट. आई डोंट थिंक आपको खुद पता है कि आपने क्या बनाया है. द चैलेंज इज आपका जो डिफरेंशिएशन है ना वो एक्सपीरियंस लेड है. तो कोई भी प्रेजेंटेशन दिखा के, कोई भी मार्केटिंग करके आपका डिफरेंशिएशन पता नहीं चलेगा. वन हैज टू रियली एक्सपीरियंस इट. जब तक एक सर्टन थ्रेशोल्ड ऑफ पीपल इसको एक्सपीरियंस नहीं करेंगे, वो एक कर्व पे निकलेगा ही नहीं, क्योंकि वर्ड ऑफ माउथ ही नहीं किक मिला। तो इसको एक्सपीरियंस कराना पड़ेगा फॉर दिस, एंड दिस हैज पोटेंशियल टू बी अ ग्लोबल product with a global brand. I'm even willing to introduce this product in our global stores of Lenskart, ताकि लोग आके दुबई में, जापान में, ताइवान में, सिंगापुर में एक्सपीरियंस करें, एंड वहाँ के लिए ये टिकट साइज ओके है। इंडिया में भी इन सर्टन मार्केट्स इट कैन बी ट्राइड। I'll give you 50 lakh for 3%. Straight equity, no royalty.
Yes, thank you. We'll just.
But you've got three offers. You've got three offers.
I like the name.
मुझे लगा 51% वाली आ रही है
That's वो सीख गया
स्टोर्स में डालने के बाद
ऑफ टैंक एक्विजिशन
ऑफ
कर
टैंक।
हमारे को स्पेक्स आ रहा है स्मार्ट आईवेयर, उसके अंदर भी मैं इसकी टेक्नोलॉजी यूज कर सकता हूँ, बट आई जेन्युइनली फॉरगेट ऑल दैट। आई थिंक ये ग्लोबल ब्रांड बन सकता है।
Mostly 1% range 2.5 ಗೆ ತಂದು 2% ಗೆ ಕೇಳುವ 1.5 ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ 0.5% advisor equity.
चलो यार।
What's up, guys?
Thanks to all of you for your offer. We'd like to counter. Would it be possible for you to do it with 50 lakhs for one person and another 1% as an advisory equity?
I'll do it if you say yes now.
No.
Yes.
Wait. 1
Yes.
crore. 1 crore.
Yes.
ले लो।
Okay,
He
done.
said
Sorry,
yes.
Second,
Go
रुक जाना,
for it.
I'm done.
रुक जाना तो 1 crore दे देते हैं ना। तू 2% ले ले, I'll take 2%. What do you care?
नहीं, I'll do this alone. 50
मैं
lakh.
देता हूँ 50 lakhs 2%. बोल अभी क्या बात?
My offer is I'm going out now if you don't say yes to me right now.
So 50 lakhs for 2%. Deal paki hai Piyush.
Okay.
We have a deal.
All right.
चलो,
Thank you. Thanks a lot, Piyush.
just make India proud in this. बाकी तो देख लेंगे.
Okay.
Have fun.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations, guys.
Anupam's offer, there was a higher equity that I had to give out compared to Piyush's, and then there's also like a lot of caveats around the way we would proceed. So since Piyush had a lower equity ask and also his help on the offline distribution, international expansion, hiring key teams, I think his experience and the network would be pretty helpful for us.